Why do all the amazing games come out around Christmas? Then I'm left with nothing to do all summer. Hey YouTube, welcome to the most amazing top 5. My name is Azzy. Sit back, subscribe, and let me entertain you. I want to know what game you guys are looking to buy next. Let me know in the comments down below. Let's jump into our list with the top 5 highest grossing video games at the time of this recording because, well, things change. In the number 5 slot we have Super Mario Bros. There's no doubt that this game is a classic, and it came bundled with Duck Hunt and the Light Zapper gun. Sold! Take my money, Nintendo. The game was released in 1985 and sold 40.24 million copies. For a time when video games were not as relevant and widespread, those numbers were massive. In the number 4 spot we have Grand Theft Auto 5. Developed by Rockstar, they can pretty much take as long as they want to make GTA 6 because they are sitting on a treasure trove of profit. The game came out in late 2013, right before the next-gen console's release, and it sold 54 million copies. It probably helped that the Xbox One version came out a few months later. In number 3 spot we have Minecraft. Everyone knows how popular Minecraft is. It's currently available on 15 different platforms. The block building game is currently up to 71 million copies sold. Earlier this year, Microsoft purchased the developer Mojang for a cool $2.5 billion. The creator of the game, Notch, went out immediately after and outbid Jay-Z and Beyonce on a $70 million home in the hills. Next up at 2, we have Wii Sports. It's hard to tell how much a game really sells when a bunch of the copies are bundled with the Wii system. However, Wii Sports comes out at 2 with the highest grossing profits of any game. The game sold 82.69 million copies. I'm sure if you factor in all the broken TVs and injuries from not wearing your strap on your Wiimote, then it wouldn't be so far up the list. Finally, in the number 1 spot, we have a way back playback, Tetris. I bet you didn't see that one coming. The game has sold to this date 100 million copies. That is a lot of puzzle solving mayhem. I love the music so much from that thing, I play it in my car. Awesome guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and check me out on some other videos. I'm Azzy, you can find me on Instagram. Make sure to let me know what top 5s you want to see in the future. Bye guys!